Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can update Chrome to the latest version 110. It's very simple, so now let's jump right into the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel for more updates and tutorials as well. So now let's open Chrome. I'm gonna use this one, and here what you have to do is pretty simple. Click on the three dots, go to hover over help, and here select about Chrome, Google Chrome. And now checking for updates, and it says Chrome is up to date. I just updated a couple of seconds ago, so that's why mine it's updated, but just wait here a couple of seconds, and after the update is completed, you're gonna have the 110 version. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions for the next video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and take care.